Hello guys, it's your boy Adnan Mansur. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here and it's your first time watching my video, don't forget liking my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then smash the bell for me for every notifications whenever I drop a new video. Okay. Today we're going to talk about one of the major apps that helps you to invest some amount of money and gain some interest daily from it. Before we start, look at the 4 tips before you invest. Okay, welcome back. The name of the investment app is Achieve app. Now, Achieve app is an app which helps you to invest some amount of money and then gain some interest daily from it. But you may be wondering, how can I create this account? Don't worry, I got you. I'll place a link in my description box. Just click on it and it will lead you to Play Store. Download the app and then let's watch a video on how to create it.
It's all about money, so you click on get started over here. When you click on get started, you come and then you input your email address, and then you click on continue. Because we do not have any account, so let me just click on continue, and then I have to input my name over here. So your full name will do, and then other names. Do you have any other name? Just input something, and then you'll be asked a mobile number 49893290, and then your password, and then you sign up. And then when you click on sign up, you have to read all of this, but I've already read it, I don't need it again. So accept, and then you are almost ready, or you are almost done. So you have to wait for some time, and then you receive your Gmail or your email, and then you are good to go. Let me locate this. It's not coming fast, so let me locate it, and then we go straight into it. Let me go. Okay, so here we are, and then we have the code over here 68. We click on continue. So your gender, male, and then I'm from Ghana, and then you choose your date of birth. On save, and then you'll be good to go.
Okay guys, so after you have registered, you must make sure you have activated your ID card. I mean, you have to provide your ID card for them to verify that it's you. So you will see it on top here where they write hi household. Yeah, they will bring it for you to complete your KYC. Or if you don't see it, you must click on the investor profile and you see it Ghana ID here. Okay, so it's already verified. So after you have verified your account, you must click on where they said investment accounts. Click here to create an investment account. So after you have created, don't click on the Eurobank Trust cause it is an USA investment, which like at least you have to deposit some amount of money and wait for about 2 years before you can withdraw it. So don't go there. Just come on DigiSafe. You can withdraw it as many as you want to withdraw, anytime, anywhere. Okay, so you just have to click on invest. After clicking on invest, name your investment account, name whatever you want, like my friend or whatever, and then click on the arrow. It will wait, please wait. So it will come something like this for you, and just click on, if you want to top up some amount of money, just click on top up. But before that, you have to activate your wallet account. You see down here where they wrote wallet, just click there and manage your wallet account and whatever. If you have mobile money, you can use your Airtel to go account, Vodafone or MTN, and you can use your credit card or MasterCard or Visa, whatever, to deposit some amount of money. And also you can use your bank account. Okay, so if you use, for me, I'm using mobile money. As you can see, I've already activated my account. And if you did not activate your account, just click on the plus sign on top left corner. Just click on that, and then put down your name, your wallet name, the mobile money name. Click on it, either MTN, Vodafone or Airtel. Then put down the number and click on the enable withdrawals, and then click on save. You are set to make a top up. So you just have to click on it. After clicking, just click on top up, and then put some amount of money you want. The amount you must put must not be less than 5 cedis. But for the starting, they will tell you to deposit some amount of not less than 10 cedis. Okay, but if you have already deposited, it is not less than 5 cedis. Okay, just click on it, click here, and either you will use your mobile phone or a credit card. Just select one and do it. I'm not depositing, so I have to quit. So after that, let's see here where the road goes. It is where you save some amount of money, and you will gain some little interest. You set up a goal, maybe I want to get 1,000 cedis, maybe February month. So they will give you the recommended amount for you to top up, and you can't withdraw it until it reach the month you set your money to withdraw. So if you want to create a goal, just click on the plus sign here, and then click on the invest. Don't click on the Eurobank Trust, just click on the DigiSave invest, and type your name here, maybe Adnance Lab Money. Click on here, and then enter the amount you want to save, maybe 500, and then they will give you the target for you to choose. Maybe select the target. When do you want to achieve your goal? Just put down the date, maybe, and select the option like how often do you want to top up money, maybe daily, weekly or monthly. Just choose and then click on proceed. Okay, so let me quit. You're always set to go, and if you are saving some money, you will get some little interest, just little interest. I'm not sure you get interest when saving, but if you want to achieve your goal, you can do it. And if you want to earn some interest, just go there and deposit some amount of money. Okay, and if you want to withdraw, just click on the withdraw here, and then put down the amount of money you want to withdraw, not less than 5 cedis. Okay, you can put it here and then withdraw it, but I'm not going to withdraw. And here is a group savings. Maybe your family members, you are almost 10, and you want to save some little amount of money. You can all get an account and come to a group savings, and you can all put down money and save. After that, you can all withdraw the money. And here is money safe. Money safe is where you put some amount of money, where we call the T-bill, and the bond investment. If you put some amount of money, you choose the month or week you want to do, either maybe 1 week, 1 month, 3 months. They will lock your money until the day is fixed. Okay, this is a fixed investment. Okay, so it will become soon. Okay, I have to do that when it is completed. And here is your profile. If you want to invite your friend, okay, for the referral, you will earn 10 points. That's 10 cedis. Every person 10 cedis. And if you want to refer, just click on the enjoy achieve. You see, and then click on the copy link and then share to your friends so you can use your username. And after you have invited, you can see I'm coming. Come down here and click on the achieve points. If you refer one person, you get 10 points of achieve and you can redeem it to 10 cedis, okay? And if it is 2 persons refer, you get 20 cedis, okay? So that's how it is. And you have to verify your email address and your number, okay? These are some of my achievements. These are some of my achievements. You see, I've completed my subscription. I make my first payment. I just started, but I'm having 2 accounts. For the first account, I've deposited 1,000 cedis and I've made a profit of 200 cedis. Now I'm not gonna withdraw it, so I created this account just for you guys, okay? Achieve app is a best platform. And guys, if you have any question, you can check my Instagram account at junior.makosa. Text me and tell me whatever it is, okay? And if you are new here, kindly click on the like button, subscribe, and then smash the bell for me. Thank you.